You're watching how to disable camera access for apps on iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap Camera. You will see a list of all apps that have requested camera access. Each app has a toggle switch next to it. To revoke an app's permission to use the camera, tap the toggle to turn it off. The switch turns from green to white or gray. The app will no longer be able to access your iPhone's camera. You can also manage microphone access separately in the microphone section under Privacy and Security. Some apps may require camera access to function fully, like Instagram or Snapchat. Disabling it will limit features within those apps. If you want to temporarily disable all camera access, you can turn on screen time restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content, and Privacy Restrictions. Enable it, then tap Allowed Apps. Toggle off camera. This will hide the camera app from your home screen and disable the system camera for all apps. To re-enable, toggle it back on. For individual app control, the privacy menu is the best method. You can also check which apps recently used the camera by looking at the orange dot at the top of your screen when the camera is active. This helps identify apps using the camera in the background. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.